Welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So if at all you have issues with anti-aging, if you're looking for some solution to reduce your fine line wrinkles, to get a more younger, youthful looking skin, to get that tightness on your skin, then this is exactly the product that you're looking for, which we are going to be making today. So today we are going to be making a Snail Mucin Face Wash. Now if you want, you can also add rice water to this to give a nice tightening to your skin, but Snail Mucin itself is such an effective active ingredient. Okay, so we'll quickly go ahead and start with the making of this face wash of ours. Now here I have both my phases, my water phase and my surfactant phase. Here I have taken some distilled water along with glycerin, and here I have my surfactants. You can go for cocamidopropyl betaine, which is a very gentle and mild surfactant. And now we'll quickly go ahead and heat both these phases and combine them. Okay, so here I have heated both my phases, my water and my surfactant phase. And to my surfactant phase, after I have heated this, I have just added a little bit of disodium lauryl sacrosanate. This is a powdered surfactant which just helps to enhance the lather. You can skip this, not required. If you wish to add, you can add it. And here I have my water phase, which I will be going ahead and adding into my surfactant phase. Now this is going to be a gel face wash, so we are just going to wait for the water to combine in well with our surfactants and to cool down completely, after which we will add our cool down phase ingredients. Okay, so we've left the water to combine in with the surfactants, and this is how it looks right now. It's got well combined and it's got a nice thickness as well. So now what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and add our cool down phase ingredients to this. So here we have our Snail Mucin, which I'm going to go ahead and add, which is going to give you all excellent anti-aging benefits, skin glowing benefits, skin tightening benefits. All these benefits you will get. Here we have our preservative. Now for the preservative, we are adding Optofin Plus. This is a water soluble preservative. Since this is a water based product, we are adding a water soluble preservative, and we'll give this a good mix. I'm not adding my fragrance as of now. I'll wait for the gel to completely clear off, and then only I will go ahead and add my fragrance. So this is how my lovely gel face wash looks like. We'll just wait for this to completely thicken, and then I'll show you how the final gel consistency looks. Okay, so now after a while, after I have left the face wash here as it is, this is how it's getting transparent. It's getting all clear, and this is the beautiful consistency of our gel. Okay, if you all can see the fall of the gel, this has a beautiful consistency, beautiful thickness to it, viscosity to it, and this is how our Snail Mucin gel face wash looks like. Okay, so we'll just pour this into our bottle now, and this will become completely transparent after 24 hours once we leave it in the bottle. And these are very, very effective face washes for those who would like to learn, for those who are beginners, who don't know how to make skincare products. I also take workshops. You all can connect with me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box if you all would like to learn in detail about how skincare products are made, and you all would like to start your own brand and sell these products. If you like what I share with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much everyone.